Hello friends, welcome to watching my video. My name is Gansyam. Today I want to go to discuss with my girlfriends. You want to listen my conversation I discuss with my girlfriend. So watch this video and listen. Hello Kajals, how are you? I'm fine. And you? I'm also fine. Kajal, why did you not come here many days? You don't know? I feel very boring and very sad. I'm also, but what will I do? Because one day we were discuss in beside temples. My brothers looked and he went and he told about us. My parents scolds and they told you will not go here there to do any type work. So what will I do? Your brothers looked that day. Yeah, my brothers look and he told, and so he scolded also, and he knew about you. Yeah, I know about your brothers. Your brothers is a good boy. So you tell me, what will I do? I don't know, but I coming here to tell you. Many days you will not connect me, and you will not call me because my fathers and my brothers all time suspense, and they look and watch where I will go and what will I do, and any times they suspense according to me. And no, Kajals, don't worry. I will not try to meet you, and I think I'm forget you, and I know about this. Yeah, and you will not try to meet me and discuss. And some days, and after this situation is a finish and suspense is a finish, so we can do before. Yeah, Kajals, I know, and parents know about you, and they feel very bad. Yeah, you not come in my village. When you will come in my village, and my brothers and my fathers know you, and you will be beaten by them, and I will be also beaten by them. So I request you not to follow me, and you not try to discuss me and meet me. No, Kajals, don't worry. I will not do this type work, and I am going to my sister house for 1 month. So I came here to tell you. Oh, it is a good news. You will go at your sister's house and you will not call, and after 1 month you return, and after that I will look this type of situations, and after that I will tell you and meet you. Oh, Kajals, yeah. But Kajals, how can live here alone, and how can live without discussion conversations? I don't know, but we we will have to live this type of work, and we will not live this type of work. We will not control self. So you know about this, and there is a situation is a very bad, and parents and brothers and my education is also stopped, and they settle my marriage, and after that they got so I they settle marriage, and so I don't know about this what is in my future, sir, and what happens with me. So I request you will not do this type work. Oh, Kajals, so thank you. Tell you, I will never try to meet you. So listen, I I did discuss with my girlfriends. So my dear friends, I discuss about this and speak these types, and I want to give a message, and I want to give an idea. You want to speak in English, so you will also do this type work. You have Android mobiles, you also became the two characters, and you speak, and definitely slowly you can able to speak in English. First you try, because I am doing try. I am not excitement, but I will try, and I will try do this type work. One day I will become a good speaker, and I will speak in English very well. So I make this I shoot this video and I create a YouTube channels and upload this type of video. I want to share with them who persons want to speak in English and learn how to speak in English. So I tell him this types idea they follow, they able to speak in English very soon. They will not take a lot of times to speak in English. So you watch this video on YouTube. So please subscribe and likes. You want to watch my next video, so subscribe and bell icons very important for you. And you watch this video on Facebook, so likes. So take cares. Bye bye.